Hey Anonymai, welcome to an educational, experimental, fun type video. There is Junior's here. Say hey, Junior.
Hi.
He was very excited to do this video. And DJ is still here with us, who did the last two boxes of halves.
Hello.
Which was very unsuccessful.
It was
okay.
It's mildly unsuccessful. What I have here, guys, is a smattering of what I am almost certain to be counterfeit Mexican coins. Now, I say this for several reasons, and we are going to experiment with them, since they're counterfeit, to demonstrate different ways that you might look for fake coins so you don't get taken. Now, there are two sheets of coins here, and I paid $2 a sheet, and I'm trying to find, yeah, here we go. So you can see here that these coins are in identical sheets of 8, but they're the same. So you can see this coin is the same as this coin. They're both 1959s. They look just alike. These two right here, 1910s. They look just alike. And you go down the sheet, and it's just like that. There was a giant stack of them at the store.
Are we taking these out?
We will, yes.
Okay.
Another indication that these are fake is when you get in a situation where you see a big stack of coins like this and somebody's selling them at a price that is unbelievable. These two coins that are the same year, the same, they're oriented the same in the page. They even have the same amount of wear. They have the same die patterns. They're so close that wouldn't happen in a natural collection. Somebody would not have two coins that were perfectly very fine. They were like very fine grades identically. It just wouldn't happen. So now that we've kind of talked about that marker, we'll actually start looking at some of these coins. The reason that this was obviously a fake situation was that he wanted $2 a sheet. The bullion value on these is somewhere in the $20 ballpark if they're 90%. So I had DJ look this one up. This is the supposed 1947 5 pesos, 5 pesos. And you can see right here, it's a rather large coin. It's pretty close to the size of a Morgan dollar. And it's supposed to weigh 30 grams, and it would be 90% silver. So let's weigh it. Let's see what we get. Get my scale out. 30 grams. You guys think this will be heavy or light?
Well, can I feel it? I think that'll be heavy.
Junior thinks it's heavy.
That's light.
That's light. I'm thinking light as well because I'm thinking aluminum. 18. It's like almost 18. 17.92. So that's super light. That's very indicative of an aluminum alloy. Now, I wanted to point something else out that I noticed. There's a little bit of a green hue coming through on some of these. Do you know what green means, Junior?
No.
When you see green on metal?
No.
Copper. So they probably mixed just enough copper in this thing to kind of give it a color that was off the aluminum color. You can see it better when I've got it out of the sleeve.
Is that the other kind of coin?
That one weighs just the same, 1793. The one that I looked up was this, what was supposed to be in 1872 Mexican un peso, so this would have only been 1 peso back in the day.
It's supposed to be 27 grams.
It should weigh 27 grams, and it's weighing just like the others, 17.95. So we very much established that these are fake. These would have been closer to 30 grams and 90% silver if they were real. Bullion value would have been somewhere in the $20, $21 range as of right now. And so we thought we would do another fun experiment.
We got this testing acid from a coin shop.
Yep, it was only a couple of dollars, and the coin dealer sold it to us, and he said, "Hey, be careful, it will damage coins." And we said, "We know. It's just some counterfeit stuff we're playing with." He warned, you know what, I'm going to give it a quick pause so I can puncture the tip of this thing. He said that you'll have to open up the channel a little bit. So I'll be with you in just a second. Okay, so we got our chemical back open, and we're going to do a little experiment. I'm going to take this, and this chemical that I have, it's an acid. It will turn red if there is more than about 90% silver content.
It will turn green if there is.
So we know it's not going to, but it'll be fun. Ooh, look at it go. It's almost like fizzing. Oh, it's turning green. Oh, it's like blackish green. Look at it go. It's bubbling. That's incredible. Look how black it is.
Oh, wow.
So what do you think, guys? Is that red? Is that silver? It smells. Do you smell it? Told you guys in the last video we're going to have smell-o-vision up next. So I'm going to just have fun. I'm going to set this off to the side and put a little spot here and just let it cook for several minutes and see how deep it goes or what it does.
Did he say to put that on there and squish it and then just...
Yeah, just leave it alone
down?
though. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit there. It bubbles, it oozes. Make sure it's in the frame so you can kind of see it continue to develop. Let's
Cleaning.
Let's
What's
clean.
next?
So, first up, hydrogen peroxide. Let's see what it does.
Do we need to rub it in?
Keep in mind, this is what it's going to do if you're dealing with aluminum with a hint of copper. So, don't do this to your silver coins, guys.
Bad idea.
Bad idea. The very first thing you should do to establish authenticity is just weigh a coin and see if it's in the ballpark. But let's try this hydrogen peroxide. I don't see a lot going on yet. I just gently rub. I'm not putting a lot of weight on it.
Can I do some?
Just kind of working the bristles over. Yeah, go ahead. Just go to town here. Let me give you one fresh dip. Just stay in that area. So while Junior does that, we'll move on to the next cleaning solution. And let's see what hydrogen peroxide does.
That's what we just did.
Or, I'm sorry, isopropyl alcohol, 91%.
I don't see anything happening.
Junior's getting not a lot of reaction with his...
I feel like it's
Hydrogen
kind of
peroxide.
turning yellowish.
Yeah? Alright, just keep on it. Alright, let's try the isopropyl. Yeah, not a lot going on here either. Although there is a little bit coming up onto the Q-tip as I rotate it. Not a lot, but a little bit. Yeah, I don't see a lot going on there. Yeah, I don't see a lot of activity on the isopropyl. So I guess aluminum's pretty stable against hydrogen peroxide and isopropyl alcohol. Same thing here. Not a lot going on. Hydrogen peroxide. So our cleaning agents didn't do much. I know one of the most popular cleaning agents is acetone. So I think we probably would have had a lot more success with that, but we didn't have any of that on hand if we wanted to really change the luster and really clean that coin. Let's take one more look at our acid dip. Oh, look at it. It just like turned black as I shifted it. That's wild. And then it's continuing to bubble and ooze some more. You see that?
That's wicked.
That's pretty cool.
You can hear it. They probably can. Not from camera, but
Yeah.
it almost sounds like
You can smell it.
Mm-hmm.
it almost sounds like after a little bit once you've opened like soda or something.
Yeah. Oh,
Like
look at that.
Oh,
That completely
wow.
changed the... It ate it away is what happened.
That's
And
cool.
it
You can make a coin darker by doing this.
Well, and
It's
it,
like straight aluminum.
it exposed the fresh metal, and so it looks like fresh aluminum in those spots. Pretty incredible. So that is the coin acid. This is designed to detect sterling silver. So it's really designed around 92.5 silver. The coin dealer said on a 90% coin it will still activate, just not quite as strongly. Anything below roughly 80% is not going to do as well. It's not going to turn as red. But as you can see, it reacts to other metals as well. But it's definitely not silver. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We were just playing around with some known counterfeit coins. We knew these were fake. Don't go destroying or cleaning your coins. I want to say that again. Do not clean your coins. Most coins go down in value when you clean them. Do not clean them. We knew that these were counterfeit, so we were doing an experiment with them. And I hope you guys enjoyed the experiment. So give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you like fun videos like this. And maybe we'll experiment on some other valueless coins. Maybe try some different copper pennies or zinc pennies that are trashed and see what happens. So
Like pennies that didn't have the front on it.
yeah.
I don't remember what those are called.
Yeah, without the copper layer or something. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Happy hunting.